talk about horizontal transformations and functions. And we'll start with our standard function f of x. That f of x equals x squared. We have a general function. What's going to happen if we wanted to know about f of x? What's changing is that we're changing the input. In this case, we're decreasing the input by 2. So if we were to look at this, the inputs are being decreased. How is the change? The table x and f of x. Negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1. When x is negative 2, f of x is negative 1, f of x is positive 1, so on, so forth. And if we were to look at the function, the input is being decreased by 2, or f of x minus 2. If we use the value of being 0, 0 minus 2 is negative 2, negative 2 squared is 4. Get the exact same output as the original function when they use negative 2. And if we use positive 1, 1 minus 2 is negative 1, negative 1 squared is positive 1. Again, the exact same output. We use positive 2, 2 minus 2 is 0, 0 is positive 0. And if we continue this process, what we have are outputs, but the inputs are off by 2. Or more specifically, in order to get the exact same output values, the inputs have been increased to the transformation that occurs is that when we're looking at change minus 2, we're going to get the same outputs with inputs that are 2 higher than the original. So the weird way of thinking about it, the important thing to see is that the same outputs result in inputs that are 2 more, 2 to the right. So if you subtract 2 from the inputs, transformation right. Graphically, this looks something like this. If this is f of x equals x squared, then x minus 2 squared is that whole thing. 2 to the right. And in the same way, 2 specifically would be x plus 2 squared. So now what's changing is that the inputs are being increased by 2. This is going to result in a shift left because of the increase in the inputs. Graphically, if this is x squared, then x plus 2 squared is along these lines. The shift